Hey, good morning. Welcome to Math Ideas number 38. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Consider all pairs of counting numbers with a sum less than 10, including pairs of the same number. So, first of all, do you know what a counting number is?
No.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that. Those are counting numbers.
Oh.
You know why?
Does it count them?
Yeah, you can count. You count with them. Okay. Consider all pairs of counting numbers with a sum less than 10, including pairs of the same number. How many different products do you get when you multiply them together? Okay. Now, this is a little bit of a complicated problem. Yeah, it's a little hard to understand, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to help you understand it, and then it turns out to be not so hard. All right, are you excited?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Okay, let's go. What does it mean to have a sum less than 10? Does 1 plus 1 have a sum less than 10?
Yep.
Does 1 plus 2 have a sum that's less than 10?
Yep.
How high can we go up with the ones? 1 plus what is always less than 10?
1 plus 8.
Okay, let me go off the. Oh no, that actually stayed on the screen. Perfect. Okay. Okay. So I have eight pairs that begin with 1, right?
Mm-hmm.
So these are pairs of counting numbers, and they all have a sum less than 10. What's the sum here? 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 is
3.
1 plus 3 is
4.
1 plus 4 is
5.
1 plus 5 is
6.
1 plus 6 is
8.
1 plus 6 is
7.
1 plus 7 is
8.
1 plus 8 is
9.
1 plus 3 is
4.
Okay. So these are all the pairs that start with 1. 1 and 1, 1 and 2, 1 and 3. What pairs should we look for next, do you think?
Probably the 2's pairs.
The 2 pairs. Okay, what's the first 2 pair?
2 plus 2. The 2 plus 1.
Okay, now interesting. 2 plus 1. Now, look at this. We already have a 2 plus 1. It's just 1 plus 2. So is 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, or is 1 and 2 and 2 and 1, should we think of those as being the same?
Yeah.
Yeah, probably. In this case we probably should, although it doesn't matter too much. But so, you're right, the first one we should start with that's new is not 1 plus 2, but what did you say?
2 plus 2.
2 plus 2. Okay, what comes after 2 plus 2? Remember, we have to keep the sum less than 10.
4.
2 plus 2?
Is 4.
Yeah. So what should we look at next?
2 plus 3.
2 plus 3?
Is 5. 2 plus 4 is 6.
Oops, I wrote the 4 first. I didn't mean to do that. 2 plus 4?
Is 6.
Yeah.
2 plus 5 is 7. 2 plus 6 is 8. 2 plus 7 is 9.
Okay. I'm going to keep an eye on all these. Okay. So what do we need to look at next?
3.
Okay. And what's the first 3 one we're going to start with?
Plus 1.
Okay. Do we already have a 3 plus 1?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we do. Okay. So what should we start with?
3 plus 4. 3 plus 3.
3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is the one we don't have yet. So we'll do 3 plus 3. And remember, we have to keep the sums less than what?
10.
10. Okay. So what comes after 3 plus 3?
3 plus 4, which
3
is
plus
7.
4, which is 7.
8.
3 plus 5, which is 8.
3 plus 6, which is 9.
3 plus 6, which is 9. Awesome. Possum. Okay. What number do we go to next?
4s.
Okay, what are we going to start with?
start with 1 plus 4 plus 5.
What are we going to start with our 4s, our 4 pluses?
Plus 2.
Okay, let's see. Do we already have a 4 plus 2 hiding around somewhere?
No.
What about right here?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
We're going to start with, do we have any 4 plus 3s hiding around?
Do we have any 4 plus 3s hiding anywhere?
I don't think so.
Look carefully, because I think I do see a 4 plus 3 hiding somewhere. Remember, these are all 1 pluses. These are all 2 pluses. So where would the 4 plus 3 be hiding? Yeah, 3 plus 4. So what should we start with?
1 plus 5.
Well, we're doing 4 pluses. 4 plus, we already have a 4 plus 1. We already have a 4 plus 2. We already have a 4 plus 3. So we should start with a
4.
4 plus
4.
4 plus 4, which is
8.
And we're trying to keep the sums less than 10, so can we do any more 4 pluses?
4 plus 5.
4 plus 5 is?
9.
5 is 9. Okay, can we do any 5 pluses?
Yeah, we can do 5 plus 4.
Okay.
That's what we can only do.
We can only do 5 plus 4, but do we have any 5 plus 4s hiding around here?
Yeah, 4 plus 5.
Okay, so guess what? That's it, we're done. We found all the pairs of counting numbers who have a sum less than 10. That's why this was a little tricky. Okay? And the question is, how many different products do we have? Do you know what product means?
No.
It means multiply. So I'm just going to write the products over here. What's 1 times 1?
1.
1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is?
2.
1 times 3 is?
3.
1 times 4 is?
4.
1 times 5 is?
5.
1 times 6 is?
6.
1 times 7 is?
7.
1 times 8 is?
8.
Hey, look at that. We have 8 different products. Okay? Now we got to do the products with the 2's. 2 times 2 is?
4.
Okay. Do we already have a 4 inside of our products here?
Yes.
Okay, so is 4 new?
No.
No. Cross it out. What's 2 times 3?
6.
6. Do we already have a 6 in our products?
Yeah.
Right there. Cross it out. What's 2 times 4?
8.
Do we already have an 8 in our products?
Yes.
Where is it? Show me.
Down. All the way down there.
Yeah, so we'll cross it out. That's not new. 2 times 5.
10.
10. Do we already have a 10 in our products?
No.
No. All right. Awesome. That's new. Yay. Oh, wait, we'll circle them later. Good job, though. That's new. 2 times 6 is?
2 times 2 is 6. 12.
12. Do we already have a 12 in our products?
Yes.
Where?
Actually, no.
Actually, no. 12 is new. What about 2 times 7?
14.
14. Do we already have a 14 in our products?
No.
No. So we got some new products here. 10, 12, and 14. Now we have to keep track of all of these ones. All right. 3 times 3. Ooh. We're getting into our 3 timeses now. 3 times 3 is?
9.
9. Do we already have a 9 anywhere hiding in our products?
No.
No. Awesome. How about 3 times 4? Ooh, now we're getting tricky. 3 times 4 is?
That's a tricky one.
Yeah. 3 4s. 4 plus 4 is?
8.
And 8 plus 4 is?
12.
12. Do we already have a 12 hiding anywhere in our products? See if you can find a 12 hiding anywhere in our products. Right there, so 12 is not new. 3 times 5, you should be able to do that fast.
3 sets of 5. 15.
15. Do we have a 15 hiding anywhere in our products?
Nope.
No, because the biggest one was 14. What about 3 times 6?
3 sets of 6. 18.
18. Is that new?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, last one, last two. I mean, 4 times 4. Ooh, 4. Wait, remember, we had to cross out the 12 because we already had a 12. 4 times 4.
4, 6, 16.
16. Is 16 new? See any 16s anywhere?
16. Just let's... No.
Okay, what about 4 times 5?
20.
20. Is 20 new?
Yep.
Okay, so we had 2 new numbers there. How many new numbers did we have here?
We had 3.
Right. How many new numbers did we have here?
3.
Right. And how many numbers did we have here?
8.
8. Okay. So we have to figure out how many different products do we get. We get 8 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2. Can you figure out what that is? 8 plus 3 is?
11.
Plus 3 is?
14.
Plus 2 is?
16.
16. So we get 16 products. Okay? So, that seemed like a pretty hard problem right at the beginning, right?
Yeah.
But we figured it out, didn't we?
Mm-hmm.
And there were 16. So your homework problem's just like that. That was a great job, sweetie.